we're gonna look at how to make Afrobeat as a beginner from scratch, and we're gonna use only two plugins, Scalar 3 and Hypersonic VST plugins. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and I'm a music producer. I take you to making of beats, mixing of vocals. Think about anything about music production, I got you. So subscribe if you want to know how to make beats, mix your vocals, simple, step by step. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's video. Okay, so we are in FL Studio now. We are using FL Studio 20. I mean the old version. If you want to know the latest version of FL Studio, you can actually click on the video that's gonna pop up over here, or go to my channel and watch FL Studio latest version, what is inside. But we're gonna use this one if you are having the old version, FL Studio 2020. All right, so we're gonna change the tempo to, let's say, 110 bpm. Then guys, we're gonna use Scalar 3 to come out with chord progressions. If you are new to Scalar 3, I have a full video taking you through step by step. This plugin is insane. It's gonna give you instant chord progression. You don't have to waste your time learning music theory. What you need is to get Scalar 3, and I will take you through step by step if you watch my previous videos. So we're gonna go to common chord progressions over here. Then let's listen to this. All right, so I'm gonna stick to this one over here. What you need to do is to drag this and drop it over here. That's super simple. Next, let's go to the arrangement layer. Now this is our chord progression. Let's listen to everything. That's super simple. Next thing we're gonna do is to send this chord progression to Hypersonic. I told you we are using two plugins, so we're gonna load Hypersonic, insert Hypersonic. Subscribe if you want to know how to make Afrobeat like this. So now we get our chord progression. Next we're gonna add melodies, and what we're gonna do is to clone the Hypersonic. All right, super simple. Now let's go to the Scalar 3. Next we're gonna click over here, and we're gonna go for mood. Let's go for expressions, and guys, click on melodies. All right, and we're gonna browse through these melodies over here. It's super simple. No need to worry about music theory if you are having Scalar 3. All right, subscribe if you want to know how to make Afrobeats like this. Now we're gonna stick to this one. Now that we got our chord progressions, let's add melodies, and to do that we're gonna use Scalar 3. Let's click over here, go for expressions. We're gonna head to melodies, and what you're gonna do is to browse through these sections. I mean this common melodies over here, the one that's gonna suit us. We're gonna stick to that. So I'll go through and choose one of them. So I'm gonna stick to this one. What you need to do is to double click like this, and this is gonna add it to the Scalar 3. Now let's listen to this. And this the melodies. We're gonna increase the volume of the melodies. Listen. Okay, so let's solo the Hypersonic for now. Now listen to this. All right, so what we're gonna do is to highlight this one, and we're gonna drag and send it to the Hypersonic over here. Now next thing we're gonna do is to delete this Scalar 3. We don't need it anymore. We're gonna delete this Scalar 3. Just hit delete. All right, super simple. Subscribe if you want to know how to make beats like this. So now guys, take a listen to this. Now it's time to control the melodies. We're gonna solo it. Now let's browse through some of the tones. The best tones. Let's use acoustic pianos. So after going through, I'm gonna stick to this. Listen. So let's add everything. Alright, we're gonna give it a little bit swing over here. Now guys, let's arrange this on a playlist. Then we're gonna right click here and split by channel. Delete everything over here. Now just drag it here. Simple like this. Now guys, in order for us to save our CPU, I'm gonna consolidate this. Consolidate this track. Start from this. Alright, we're gonna consolidate to save mass space. Alright, so we're gonna delete this one. Then let's consolidate this one too. Alright, we're gonna delete this. Let's consolidate this. This is gonna save mass CPU. Alright, let's delete this. Let's consolidate this one too, like this. Now you can see there are SS here, so we're gonna pick the slice tool. Make sure it's on beat. Then we're gonna chop this part, delete them like this. Alright, now let's listen to this. So now I'm gonna add some drum fills. Alright, so we are adding drum fill over here. So we're gonna arrange some of the bass over here by hitting Ctrl B. Now let's listen to this. Alright, I'm okay with that. Now we're gonna add some crash like this, and we're gonna double click, reverse it. Now let's place it around this point, so that's gonna come inside. Let's change this one to none. Alright, make sure it's on time. This super simple. This super simple. So now it's time to add the drums. Alright, so we're gonna create a new pattern, then we're gonna add it over here. Subscribe if you wanna know much about Afrobeat, how to mix your Afrobeat. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to this. Alright, so let's create a simple drum pattern. Alright, so we're gonna keep things simple like that. Let's go to the piano roll options, then fill the rest of the bass. Ctrl B, or if you are using Mac, Command B. Alright, now we're gonna do the same thing to this one. Go to the piano roll options, then Ctrl B for Windows users. Now let's listen. Alright, we're gonna fill the bar over here. Now let's add some shaker loops. Let's fill the rest of the bars. Ctrl B, then this one to Ctrl B. Now let's listen to this. All right, now let's go for shaker loops. So I'm gonna add some shaker loops. All right, then we're gonna double click on this, reduce the volume a little bit. Now fill the rest of the bass like this. Now let's listen to the groove now. Let me zoom it in. Now listen. We're gonna listen to everything. It's time to add the kicks. So we're gonna place the kicks over here, create another pattern. Now we're gonna use this. All right, now let's go to the piano roll options, and we're gonna arrange some kicks, increase the velocity. We want the kick to come in once in a while. All right, so let's do that. Alright, we're gonna repeat this by highlighting Ctrl B, and over here we're gonna reduce this. Now let's listen. Alright, so we're gonna go to the playlist, add a kick. Alright, so I'm gonna add some bass line to this particular beat, and to do that we're gonna create another pattern, and on this pattern we're gonna use bass from Hypersonic. So we're gonna clone this. Alright, now let's go for bass from Hypersonic. Alright, let's use electric bass. So this is the bass line, and I'm gonna double this by filling the rest of the bass. Now guys, we're gonna reduce the volume a little bit like this. Now let's listen to everything in context. So subscribe if you want to know much about Afrobeat. So what is left is to add some ad libs and some few tones to this particular beat, and it's gonna sound banger. If you wanna watch this, then turn on the bell notification, because we're gonna do this in the next coming video. Subscribe. If you don't wanna subscribe, I got nothing to tell you. Subscribe.